Hey friends, welcome to channel Data with Hina. Today I am going to show you some Excel shortcuts that can ease your work. So if you want to make your life easier, then follow along. Let's start with select all. If you want to select a whole data range, you can use shortcut key Ctrl plus A. If you want to copy it, you can use Ctrl plus C. If you want to paste it to another place, you can use shortcut key Ctrl plus V. Now, if you want to cut this from this place and paste it to another place, you can use shortcut key Ctrl X to cut it and Ctrl V to paste it. The other thing you can do is to select a range from up to the bottom using shortcut keys Ctrl Shift down arrow key to select from top to the bottom, and Ctrl Shift right arrow key to select a range from left to the right. Also, you can do this opposite, Ctrl Shift left arrow key to select from left to the right, and Ctrl Shift up arrow key to select from bottom to the top of the range. The other one is undo. If you want to undo a work that you have done, you can use Ctrl plus Z. Again, Ctrl plus Z. You can see that every step that I made earlier, I undo it. The other one is redo. If you want to redo one work that you have undo it, you can use redo, Ctrl plus Y. It will redo it. Again, undo, Ctrl plus Z. The other one is remove cell contents. If you have a content here, for example book, you can use delete button in your keyboard to just delete it. The other thing you can do is to bold. If you want to bold a text in your Excel, you can use shortcut key Ctrl B. If you want to italic it, you can use Ctrl plus I. If you want to make it underline, you can use Ctrl plus U. I think that's all easy, right? Then let's go to the other ones. Fill cells down. If you have, for example, here text and you want to fill it till here, just select the range and Ctrl D. It will fill it down. Suppose if you want to fill it to the right, you can just select the range, then Ctrl plus R. It will fill it to the right. The other one is save. If you want to save your workbook, you can use shortcut key Ctrl plus F. It will automatically save your workbook if you have already saved it. But if you haven't already saved your workbook, then it will open a window for you to choose the location for it. The other one is save as. If you want to save a new version of your workbook, you can use save as. The shortcut is F12. Press on F12. It will open you a window that you can choose the location and also name it. The other one is print. If you want to print your workbook, you can use shortcut key Ctrl plus P. It will bring for you the print page that you can specify properties from here. Press the escape to go back. The other one is close window. If you want to close your window, only your work file, you can use Ctrl plus W. It will close it. Again, let's go and open it. If you want to close your window, there is another shortcut also that you can use, which is Ctrl F4. Again, you can see it closed it. Go and open your workbook again. The other one is to quit Excel. If you want to close your whole workbook, you can use shortcut key Alt F4. But for now, let's skip it and go to the next sheet, which is navigating shortcuts. Here we can learn how to navigate between cells and other objects without using mouse. So, how we can do this? The first one is to navigate between cells. If you want to navigate between cells just using shortcut keys, you can use arrow keys. For example, to go to the right cell, you can use right arrow key. To go to the left cell, you can use left arrow key. To go to the upper cell, you can use up arrow key. And to go to the lower cell, you can use down arrow key. The other one is move to the edge of the data range. This is a data range, right? If you want to move through each edge, you can use shortcut keys Ctrl plus arrow key. For example, if you want to go to the bottom edge of the data range, you can use Ctrl plus down arrow key. If you want to go to the upper edge of the data range, you can use Ctrl up arrow key, and so on. The other one is navigate one screen down. Right now we can see from row 1 to row 13. Now if you want to go one screen down, you can use page down button on your keyboard. Now we can see from row 14. Again, opposite to that, if you want to go one screen above, you can use page up. The other one is to navigate one screen to the right. So the same process just with addition of Alt key. Press the Alt key, then page down. It will take you one page to the right. Alt plus page up, it will take you one page to the back. Alt to the left. The other one is to navigate to the next sheet. If you want to go to the next sheet, you can use shortcut key Control plus page down. If you want to go to the previous sheet, you can use Control plus page up. Again, Control plus page down, you can go to the next sheet. Here, the last one, which was Quit Excel Alt 4. Now let's do this. If you want to close your workbook, you can use shortcut key Alt plus F4. Do you want to save the changes or not? Yes, I want to save the changes. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.